Hi there, I'm Russell Lowe, and this is the first part of a two-part tutorial on creating mosaic charts. This is a JPEG that was in a folder. I've just dragged and dropped it into Illustrator, and you can see if we use Alt and a middle mouse wheel to roll in that it's got a title, some text that's right justified down the side, some angled text at the bottom, some grid lines or grid marks, and some colored blocks representing the data. So in this part of the tutorial, I'm just going to focus on the title and the text and stuff that's in the background. So to begin with, let's create a rectangle. So clicking on the rectangle tool and click and drag it out there, something like that. If we hit the shape properties up in the top bar here, you can see I've got the width and the height unlinked, unconstrained. So I can edit them separately. 750 wide and 500 tall is a size that sort of suits this or sort of replicates this somewhat. And now I need to create the vertical lines that go up the side, or the horizontal lines that go vertically up the side. So go to the line segment tool, Alt and drag into here, click and drag out to there, and then what I'll do is with the V shortcut, I'll just click and hold Alt and drag this and snap it to the top there, and then I'll do 5 of them, so I need a few more. And in fact, I can hit Control D to do another 1, 2, 3, 4. That's good. And then if I select all of these together and go into the Align window, make sure that my align is to selection and not artboard, but selection. And then I can vertically distribute the objects, vertically distribute from the top, and that gives the same spacing all the way down, which is handy. I might actually select them all and just make them a little smaller so they match the precedent a little better and give me some more room. Let's try that same move with the text. So I'll click here, go 0%, double click on it, make sure that it's right hand justified. You could do center or left, but align right, make sure it won't go over these lines here. Hit the V, once again, you need to select tools when you're in text mode, otherwise you might get the shortcut rather than the result that you want. Hold down Alt and drag up here. I can hold down Shift as well to make sure that it stays vertically. Do that. Double click to edit the text. 100%. Alt and drag down to here, and then Control D to replicate that move. Go in and just quickly edit them, and you can see that they're staying to the side like you'd expect. I won't bother doing the other ones. And some text that's on an angle. Click here and go smartphones, and then hover over the corner there to let it rotate. Hold Shift down will make it go 45-degree angles, and then put that somewhere. Click and drag again with Shift selected. You can see it snaps vertically. Shift it to there, say, Control Z, let's duplicate that as well. So click Alt and then Shift as well, do that. Control D lets you put them along there and lets you edit them, for example. Okay, that's enough for this tutorial. In the next tutorial, I'll create the colors and put boxes in here. Thanks.